Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at one logical problem. The question is given if 4a minus b plus 7c equal to 8, 7a plus 8b minus 4c equal to 1, then the value of a square minus b square plus c square. So here some logic is there, that's why this problem is selected. So how to solve this problem? So here if you know the logic, it is very easy. First I am writing given. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So what is given? First given I am writing 4a minus b plus 7c is equal to 8. 7a plus 8b minus 4c is equal to 1. So this is given. So I am rearranging this as 4a plus 7c is equal to 8 plus b. Let it be 1. The second equation I am writing 7a minus 4c is equal to 1 minus 8b. Let it be 2. Now what you have to do? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So if you do squaring on both sides, first one will become 4a plus 7c whole square is equal to 8 plus b whole square. So here 4a square means 16a square plus 49c square plus 56 AC is equal to 64 plus b square plus 16b. That is the first one. Squaring on both sides. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now if you take the second one, 7a minus 4c whole square is equal to 1 minus 8b whole square. So here what will get? 49a square plus 16c square minus 56ac is equal to 1 plus 64b square minus 16b. Let it be 3 and 4. Now adding 3 and 4. Adding 3 and 4. So what will get if you add a 3 and 4? 16a square 49c square plus 56ac is equal to 64 plus b square plus 16b. Second one 49a square plus 16c square plus 56ac is equal to 1 plus 64b square minus 16b. These two are adding. So here minus 56c plus 56c cancel. 16b minus 16b cancel. So here you'll get 65a square plus 65bc square is equal to 65 plus 65b square. So send b square that side. 65a square minus 65b square plus 65c square is equal to 65. Taking 65 common, a square minus b square plus c square is equal to 65. Now a square minus b square plus c square is equal to 65 by 65. We are getting 1 now. So the value of a square minus b square plus c square is equal to 1 now. I hope you understood the video more. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.